All right, 3 says, let f be the function defined by, it gives me f of x equals ax squared minus the root of 2. And then it says that's this property over here, that f composed with f at root 2 is equal to minus root 2. What's the value of a? I'll go to the whiteboard again, and I'll write down what they said. And that's about all you can do. And then see if you can figure out what the question is and what the answer is to their question. And they say f of x is equal to a times x squared minus the root of 2. It goes on to say it's for a positive a. I'll write this over here. A is positive. Then they go on to say that f composed with f at root 2, and I'll do that in a moment, is equal to the opposite of the root of 2. Well, let's write this down. So it's going to be f. Now I got to compose this at root 2. What are you going to get? You're going to get a times 2 minus root 2. All right? And again, this has to be equal to minus root 2 at this point. I'm looking at this over here. I just plugged it in. F of root 2 is just simply, 2a minus root 2. Let me have my eraser out. Instead of writing down a times 2, I'm going to write down 2a instead. Now what I want to do is what does f do to that argument? It's going to be a times that thing squared. I'll write that down for you. Well, I get something pretty interesting over here. I'll tell you what I'm looking at over here. I'm just going to add root 2 to both sides. Then I get a, and then what I get? I get 2a minus the root of 2 squared is equal to 0. I'm going to use zero product rule. I want to say a could be 0, or a could be, let's take a look at that. It's going to be root 2 over 2. All right? That's 2 possibilities, by the way. But I want to point out, it said a is positive, so this could be the only answer over here. And there's a variety of ways of writing that down. You could write a as root 2 over 2, or if you could prefer, you could say a is 1 over root 2. It's really the same thing. Either answer is fine, by the way. Thank you.